Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Monday. I'm glad you're joining me this morning. I hope you had a great weekend. Today, we are going to be making our own bubble blowers, which is going to be a bunch of fun. I mean, do you not love bubbles? Super excited for this one. Super easy. First, we are going to play Spot the Quapple, of course. I'll put 30 seconds on the clock. The Quapple, of course, our education logo in the bottom left corner of your screen. The apple with the Quest Q in it. So let me just start the clock over. Give you a little bit of time to look for the Quapples. There are 5 of them in this picture. 20 seconds left. Let me know if you're able to find any of them this morning. 15. 10. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the answer. Excuse me, sorry. All 5 Quapples in bubbles and on people, I guess. But so if you found them, good job. If you did not, we'll play again on Wednesday. So be here right at 9:30 so you can get in on the fun. So what are you going to need to make your own bubble blowers today? Pretty simple. You should have all of this around your house. You'll need a plastic cup, plastic straw, water, and soap. Pretty simple, right? I happen to have all of this stuff, so you must have all of this stuff, I'm sure. So what is going to happen when we make our bubble blowers? Pretty easy. We all love bubbles. The fun thing, these bubble blowers, is being able to make them ourselves. Using the cup and the straw, we will be able to learn the dynamic of bubbles. Of course, you know, the more you blow, the more bubbles you get, and the less you blow, the less bubbles you get. Pretty straightforward for this Monday. We're not going to get too in depth. That's about the gist of these bubble blowers, and then they're just a bunch of fun. So let's explain how you make these. First, you're going to have a parent help you cut a small hole in your plastic cup that is big enough for your straw. Then you're going to pour about half part water and half part soap into the bottom of your cup. You're not going to need a lot. It should be about 1 inch of liquid at the bottom of your cup, and you'll want it to be lower than the hole you created or your parent helped you make. Then you're just going to stick the straw into the cup and tilt it into the bubble liquid and start blowing. Simple as that. I had a little trouble getting my straw in there, but that's it. Pretty simple. Now you will want to do these outside because it is going to make a little bit of a bubble mess. I won't lie to you. And we don't want bubbles all over our furniture and floor because it gets slippery. But pretty intense bubble explosion there with these bubble blowers. I had fun blowing the bubbles. I did get bubbles all over my hands and my feet. You might want to put the bubble blower on a table to do this so that you don't have bubbles all over yourself, but it's part of the fun, right? We'll put the instructions. Oh, that was a big one. We'll put the instructions in the comments so you can try this lesson. Send us your pictures and videos when you're able to make them. Let's see if you can make bigger bubbles than your siblings, right? It's always a competition. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.